The most painful death in the universe. If you fell into a black hole, you wouldn't explode. You wouldn't burn. Instead, you would be stretched into something thinner than a strand of spaghetti. Scientists even have a name for it. Spaghettification. Imagine drifting toward one of the most powerful objects in the universe. At first, you might not notice anything unusual. The stars still shine. Space still looks calm. But gravity is quietly tightening its grip. Here's why. Gravity becomes stronger the closer you are to a massive object. As you approach a black hole, your feet are slightly closer to it than your head. That tiny difference is enough to create an enormous imbalance. Your feet are pulled downward with far more force than your head. Your body begins to stretch. First, it's almost unnoticeable. Then the stretching becomes violent. Your spine would elongate. Your muscles would tear. Your bones would snap under unimaginable stress. Eventually, even the molecules holding your body together could no longer resist. Atoms themselves would be ripped apart. This immense difference in gravitational pull is called tidal force. Near smaller black holes, these tidal forces become so intense that spaghettification could happen before you even reach the event horizon. Ironically, a supermassive black hole, the kind found at the center of galaxies, might let you cross the event horizon before those forces become fatal. But don't celebrate just yet, because once you're inside, there is no escape, no turning around, no rescue mission. Every path through space-time now points toward a single destination: the singularity, a place no one has ever seen, and no one can ever return from. Being torn apart atom by atom sounds terrifying, but astonishingly, many physicists believe that's not the worst thing waiting inside a black hole. The real horror begins when space-time itself starts to collapse. And that's where our understanding of the universe completely breaks down. Discover what happens next in the full DiscoveryTube documentary.